Hi guys, welcome to another Get Ready With Me video today. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದಿವಸ ಆಯಿತು ನಾನು Get Ready With Me video ಮಾಡಿ. Apparently, a lot of you guys liked the casual look that I created very recently. When I last week post ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕೆಲವು pictures ಅಲ್ಲಿ I was wearing a Gap tee and casual jeans. ಅದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. So a lot of you guys were asking for another casual look, but unfortunately ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So let's create another casual look today. So I'm wearing the same jean and another top from Gap. So it's just a very casual t-shirt. So let's style this. Okay, so it's looking something like this. Very casual, very outdoorsy. So I'm adding a brown belt. So we've added the belt. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೆರಿ ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂಥರ ಫ್ರೀ ಫಾಲ್ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ಟಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್. ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊರಗಡೆನೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅರೇನಾ. ಸೊ ಐವ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ಸನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ಕಾಜಲ್. Check out my YouTube video to know what kajal I use. A lot of you still keep asking. I'm going to use a blush from Elf Cosmetics. Okay, perfect. The Glow Mist.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಲ್ ಒದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ?
It's a mist. I'm using a mist. Dry. Let's use a lipstick. I'm gonna go with a nude one. Nude hogi amele. Okay. I'm using this Powder Kiss lipstick by MAC.
Ta-da!
ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ? So RCB is just qualified for playoffs. We just finished a match and ivaga ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So husband is all excited. So I'm using this heat sensor plumping gloss stick by MAC. So I love it. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tingling agate, but it's okay. It's just don't forget 5 seconds. I'm just wearing this idon ring hakoತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Huge pearl drop earring. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. So okay, ಕೂದಲು, I'm leaving my hair. ಏನೆಂದು
ಹೆಂಗೆ
ತೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿ
ತಲೆ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ತಡಿ.
So Evole, I don't know if it's going or not, but I'll let it stay. And I'm going to have this. It's going with the outfit.
ನಿನ್ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Shut up. Victoria's Secret to Summer in the Sun. Lastly, use Texas summer start ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, so we're not forgetting our sunscreen.
ನನಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ. I'm gonna add this hat because ಆಚೆ ಸೆಕೆ ಇದೆ, ಬಿಸಿಲಿದೆ, sorry. But I'm gonna remove this ಓಲೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Last week ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಈ week ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. Okay. And I'm gonna add this back. Sporty casual look, so you can add a watch. Adding this watch. Yeah, I think I like it. I like this. Or you could also wear a pony ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. Wear a pony. And lift the pony from here. Do that as well, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ messy, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ neat ಆ ಥರ. So chappli, I'm gonna show chappli. Okay, chappli, I'm wearing these Crocs, these platform Crocs. I'll just keep a rubber band with you. ಆಮೇಲೆ rubber band ಜುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ for safety. So we're done. So this is how it's looking. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you liked it.